Good morning. Okay. Here is the question. Okay. हाँ यहाँ पर भाग कर सकते हो। हाँ किसी को Okay. This is the question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircle with center alternately at A and B, starting with center A of radii 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, dot dot as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Made up of 13 consecutive semicircles. Okay? Right? Hello? Okay. Here is center and this one is a line. Center is A according to the question, and suppose 0.5 centimeter, that is B. Radius is 0.5 cm. Okay? Again, it will move towards a spiral. 0.5, then 1, then 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, dot dot, up to 13 times. 13 semicircle it will convert. 13 semicircle. Okay? हेलो हेलो हाँ बोलिए। क्लास तो हम स्टार्ट किए हैं, अभी सर आके हम दिखा रहे हैं, 1 मिनट फोन रखिए। सर बहुत बच्चा ज्वाइन किया और ये बोल रहा है कि नहीं हो पा रहा है, हम लोग ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहे।
8 बच्चा तो ज्वाइन किया हुआ, ये दिगंबर कौन है, एडमिट कीजिए
ना, लेकिन अभी भी बहुत 2-3 बच्चा कर पा रहा है।
तो यहाँ आएगा तभी ना ज्वाइन करिएगा, यहाँ नहीं आएगा तो किसको ज्वाइन करिएगा, जब तक यहाँ नहीं आएगा।
अच्छा, हम क्या किए थे आपको बता दें। बैक हम क्या किए थे कि इसको दबाए थे, इसको दबाए थे और इसको हटा दिए।
हाँ, तो वो अपने आप आते रहेगा सर। अभी जितना आएगा ना ऑटोमेटिकली जुड़ जाएगा, आपको उसको एडमिट करने का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा।
लेकिन ऐसा करने के बाद भी 2-2 फोन आ गया,
गलत होगा। उसका अपना भी प्रॉब्लम से तो कनेक्ट नहीं होगा, उसका भी प्रॉब्लम रहेगा नेट का, तो भी कनेक्टिंग में जाएगा, लेकिन उसका कनेक्ट नहीं होगा।
Okay, dear student.
आपके साइड से सब ओके है।
Okay, again you will send the message in WhatsApp group to join, because maybe a technical issue from your side. Okay. Now, what is the length of 13 such semicircle will drawn? Okay. Here is 1.5, then 1, then 1.52, 2.53. This one is a shape of a spiral. What will be the total length? We will have to find. It means this one is a semicircle from this point to this point. This one is semicircle. Again this one is semicircle. Right? Again this one is semicircle. That is, it will continue up to 13 times. Then we will write let L1, L2, L3 dot dot L13 be the length of semicircle. Length of semicircle.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, आप एक सेक्शन पे इनवाइट ही नहीं भेजे हैं। बच्चा का फोन आ रहा है ममता ठाकुर मैडम के पास।
क्या?
एक सेक्शन को आप इनवाइट नहीं किए हैं, सी को।
सबको किए?
बच्चे का फोन आ रहा है, देखिए। आप एक ही सेक्शन को इनवाइट किए हैं, चेक कर लीजिए। बच्चे का फोन आ रहा है।
हाँ, हेलो। हेलो। हाँ बाबू। अच्छा, 1 मिनट हम देखते हैं, 1 मिनट रुक जाइए। ओके। हाँ मैडम, किए हैं, टेक्निकल इशू आ रहा था सर, बना दिए। ओके। Good morning. Good morning. Dear student, please listen. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with center alternately at A and B, starting with center A of radii 0.5 cm, 1 cm, 1.5 cm, 2 cm, dot dot as shown in the figure. What is the total length? What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Okay, let L1, L2, L3, right, dot dot L13, because this is a 13 semicircle, right? Now, प्रत्युष, भाव्या,
हो गया?
रौनिक, board is clear? Okay? Please send the message in your group to join Bhavya, Piyush, Pratyush, both the sections. Please send the message to rejoin. Okay? Hello? मैसेज सेंड कर दीजिए हिमांशु, भाव्या, खुशी, प्रत्युष. प्लीज सेंड द मैसेज टू ज्वाइन द क्लास. ओके. Let L1, L2, L3 dot dot L13 be the length of semicircle. Okay. Now L1 equal to 2 pi r by 2. 2 pi r by 2. That is the circumference of circle divided by 2. It becomes a semicircle. It becomes a semicircle. Right? Okay? Now, 2 and 2 will cancel, that is pi r. That is pi, radius is 0.5. Radius is 0.5. We can write by 10 to 1 by 2 pi. Circumference of first semicircle is 1 by 2 pi. L2. Now L2 equal to pi r. Pi into 1 equal to pi. Pi into 1 equal to pi. Or for common, taking a common, you can write 2 pi by 2. Okay? Dear student, am I audible? Am I audible? Hello? अंजलि, भाव्या, हर्षराज, हिमांशु, खुशी, पीयूष, प्रत्युष, रौनिक, सुमन, वैभव राज, वैभव सिंह. May I rub the board? Okay. Okay. Now next L3. L3 that is pi r. A radius is what? Pi into 1.5. 1.5. That is by 10. 3 by 2. Pi by 2 into 3 pi. 3 into pi by 2. Similarly, L4 pi r. Radius will be 2. Pi into 2, that is 2 pi. That is 2 pi. Okay? Write down. Now, similarly, we will write up to L13. Up to L13. L13, that is pi r. Pi. Radius will be 13 by 2. 13 by 2. 13 by 2 pi. Okay? May I rub the lower part? Dear student, may I rub the lower part? Okay. Now we will add this length because question is that what will be the length of the given. Therefore, now total length that is L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L13 सारे लेंथ को हम लोग ऐड कर देंगे। तो L1 क्या था? पाई बाई 2 प्लस 2 पाई बाई 2, 2 पाई बाई 2 प्लस 3 पाई बाई 2 प्लस 4 पाई बाई 2 प्लस 13 पाई बाई 2, 1 पाई बाई 2, 2 पाई बाई 2, 3 पाई बाई 2, 4 पाई बाई 2, 5 पाई बाई 2, 6 पाई बाई 2, 7 पाई बाई 2 up to 13 पाई बाई 2, 13 पाई बाई 2. Okay? Right. Now we can take pi by 2 as a common. We can take pi by 2 as a common. Pi by 2 take common, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 13. When we will take pi by 2 as a common, then it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 13. Okay? Any doubt? Any doubt? Hello? Hello? Okay. Now may I rub the board? Now, this pi. First sum of first natural number of up to 13. A. Now, A equal to 1, B equal to 1 and N equal to 13. Then Sn equal to pi by 2 or n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 1, n minus 1 into d. N is 13 by 2. 2 pi pi by 2 or pi by 2 as a outside pi by and 2 into 1 plus 13 minus 1 into d is 1. 13 pi by 4, 2 plus 12, that is 13 pi by 4 into 14, then it will be 7 by 2. Then it will be 13 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 7. 7 7 cancel 11. 11 into 13. 143 centimeters will be the answer. Dear student, answer will be 143. Write down. Any doubt? Answer will be 143. Bhavya. Bhavya. लिख लिए? बोल नहीं रहे हैं आप लोग? अगर कोई डाउट हो तो बोलिए. Okay. May I rub the board? Others, Himanshu, Pratyush, Ronit, Piyush, Nimesh, Khushi, Sushant, Sanskriti, Tripti, Vaibhav Singh. Now may I rub the board? Okay. Now next question. What will be the sum? What will be the sum? First, for getting the sum, we will have to find the n. How many terms of is there? How many terms are there? Then a equal to 34, b equal to 32 minus 34 equal to minus 2, and Tn equal to a. Now a plus n minus 1 into b equal to Tn, or you can say an, both are same. Tn, or you can say an. Then a is 34, n is I don't know, we have to find. D is minus 2 and a is 10. 34 minus 2n plus 2 equal to 10. Minus 2n equal to 10 minus 36. That is 26 minus 26. Minus minus cancel, 2 cancel, 13. N equal to 13. Total number of terms will be 13. Now sum. Now Sn equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into b. N by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into b. N. That is 30 by 2. 2 into a. A is 34 plus 30 minus 1 into minus 2. 30 by 2. 64 minus 24. Okay? Then 30 by 2 into 40. Cancel 20. That is 30 into 20 equal to 260. Total is 260. Okay. Here will be 68. Right? Then it becomes 68. Then 44. It will be 22. Then 286. Answer will be 286. Okay? Write down please. May I rub the board? Hello. All of you. Very good. Now, next question is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus dot dot plus minus 230. Find the sum. Minus 230. Here A equal to minus 5, D equal to minus 8 minus 5 minus. Now first we will have to find n. How many terms? According to the question, a plus n minus 1 into b equal to tn. Minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 equal to 200 minus 230. tn equal to minus 230. Okay. Now minus 5 minus 3n plus 3 equal to minus 230. Minus 230 or minus 3n equal to minus 230 plus 2. That is equal to minus 228. Minus minus cancel. 320, 228. n equal to 228 by 3. 7 3 ja 7 6 3 ja 76. n equal to 76. Total number of term is 76. Okay. Now Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into b. 76 by 2, 2 into a is minus 5 plus 76 minus 1 into minus 2. Right? 3, 38. 38 into minus 10 minus 150. 38 into minus 160. Right? Minus 160. What will be the multiplication? Hello? minus 6080. Right? Write down please. Sum of these numbers whose are in AP is minus 6080. Minus 6080. Okay. बोर्ड ब्लर हो रहा है। हेलो, क्लियर है बोर्ड? हेलो, मे बी टेक्निकल इशू, समथिंग टेक्निकल इशू। ओके, one thing remember, if board is blur, please you will see the video. Okay? Okay. Now all of you tell me, may I rub the board? Hello. Hello. जी, माइनस अब देखो, पहले हम लोग इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस है, कॉमन डिफरेंस विल बी -3 एंड ये इज -230. A plus n minus 1 into d, that is getting a term. Then you will put 5 minus 5 minus 3n plus 3, that is this much, minus 230. Minus 3n equal to minus 230 plus 2. It will be 76. n equal to 76. Now sum n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Then 76 by 2. 38. 2 into minus 5 plus 76 minus 1 into minus 2. 75. 75 to the 150 minus this will. This is right. ये तो कैलकुलेशन की बात है, कैलकुलेट करके आप देख लोगे, आप कैलकुलेट करके देख लोगे। ओके, तो कहां पर n कितना आया है आपका? n is how much? हेलो, आकांक्षा,